What's going on, everybody? I just want to show you all the fruit that I got for the raw fast that we're doing on Monday, April the 6th, all the way to the next Monday, April the 13th. I got seeded watermelon. I got 2 of them. I got cantaloupe, this one, but I got like 2. Got 1 more in the refrigerator. Got plums. Got raisins. I got blueberries, strawberries. I got like 2 more things of strawberries in the refrigerator. Apples. I got another bag of apples in the refrigerator too. Water. Got another thing of water down there. Oranges. Now the oranges on the Dr. Seaver nutritional guide, it say we should get severe oranges or sour oranges, but they hard to find. It's preferred that we get them, but since they hard to find, we just get oranges that we can find. Just make sure that they got season and we good to go. So you can get the nutritional guide from the description box. There's a link in the description box. You can use that guide and you can see what type of fruit that you can get for your fast. You can eat as much as you want to eat. Long as you eat raw fruit, long as you're not cooking. Whenever you get hungry, you can eat as much fruit as you want to eat, long as you're not cooking. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the video. Let me know what you think. You can find the nutritional guide from Dr. Seaver, like I said, in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram, Carbonbased _Cellfood. Send me a friend request on Facebook. It's a link in the description box below for that. You can get a blender, food processor. It's a link in the description box below for that. If you want to get the Emerald Tablets book by Billy Carson, it's a link in the description box below for that. If you want to donate, it's a link in the description box below for that. Got Venmo and I got Cash App. If you feel like you want to do that, you can do that. Thank you for watching.